Welcome. Today in front of me Infinix Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and after that, if you want to add here some icons or remove some of them on just to change their positions, you should click here to this edit icon, and now we can see here this down section with the invisible icons. If you want to just remove some icons from notification panel, you should hold it, and after that just drag it here to this down section. So as you can see, that's so simple. If you want to add some icons to notification panel, by the same way, hold it and drag it to this up section. So that's how it looks. Also, if you want to change the position of the icons positions, just hold it and drag it by this way. Here, just hold and drag it. And if you want to change, save the changes, just tap to the back icon or just the home button, and now we can see here all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.